Hi guys, I'm Prajwal from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we're going to discuss about Windows management in user interface division. Introduction for Windows management. In the context of user interface design, Windows management refers to coordination and control of different graphical elements, commonly referred to as windows, within the user interface. This concept is particularly relevant in the design of graphical user interface, that is called as GUIs, for the software application. Here are some key aspects of Windows management in UI. Layout and organization. Layout and organization in Windows management are critical aspects of designing an effective and friendly graphical user interface. This aspect determines how various UID elements, often represented as windows, are arranged, structured and interact with each other. Here are the key considerations for the layout and organization in Windows management. Here are some key features of Windows management: hierarchical structure, consistent design pattern, logical flow, and clear hierarchy of information. Hierarchical structure. Consider organization Windows in hierarchical manner, especially in application with multiple layers of functionality. This helps user to understand the relationship between different components and navigates through the interface more efficiently. Consistent design pattern. Maintain a consistent design language across Windows to create an unified and cohesive user experience. Consistency in layout, color schemes, typography, and iconography helps user to quickly identify and understand the UI elements. Logical flow. Design the layout to flow a logical flow that aligns with user tasks and workflow. Consider the natural sequence of action a user might take and arrange windows according to the support of this workflow. Clear hierarchy of information. Prioritize information based on its importance and relevance to the user. Ensure that more critical information or control are prominently displayed and less critical elements are appropriately nested or placed in secondary areas. Other key features of Windows management are interaction and navigation. Interaction and navigation plays a crucial role in Windows management, determines how user engage with different elements within a graphical user interface. Effective interaction and navigation contribute to a smooth and intuitive user experience. Here are key considerations for interaction and navigation in Windows management. Intuitive controls, drag and drop functionality. Intuitive controls. Uses of intuitive controls of Windows manipulation, such as buttons for minimization, maximization, and close. Users should easily understand how to interact with Windows based on the familiarly icons or labels. Drag and drop functionality. Implement drag and drop functionality for rearranging windows or transferring content between them. These key features enhance user flexibility and enhance efficiency in organizing their workspace. Keyboard shortcuts, Windows Focus Management, Taskbar, Dock Integration, Tabbed Interfaces. Keyboard shortcuts provides keyboard shortcuts for common Windows management tasks. This is especially important for power users who prefer using keyboard for navigation and interaction. Windows Focus Management clearly indicates which Windows has the current focus. This can be achieved through visual clues such as highlighting the activity windows or using suitable animation. User should easily discern with windows will respond to their input. Taskbar or dock integration. Integrate with operating taskbar Windows or dock macOS to allow user to easily switch between open windows, display relevant information such as Windows titles and application icons, and aid a navigation. Tabbed interface. If applicable, use tabbed interface to organize and navigate between different views or documents within a single window. Tabs provide a clear and efficient way to for user to manage multiple contacts with the same application. Other key features are responsive design. Responsive design in Windows management involves creating interfaces that adapt and respond effectively to different screen size, resolutions, and orientations. It ensures that the user experience remains consistent and functionality across the variant of devices, including desktop, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Here are some key considerations for implementing responsive design in Windows management. Flexible layout. Design layout that can be flexible adjust to the different screen size. Uses fluid grid and relative unit, percentage or EM units for element sizing, allowing the interface to scale proportionally. Media queries, adapt images, prioritize content, touch-friendly design. Media queries. Employ media queries in the cascading style sheets, that is CSS, to apply different styles or layout based on the characteristics of the device or viewport. This allows for targeting adjustment to optimize the user experience on various screens. Adaptive images. Optimizing images for different resolution and screen sizes uses responsive image techniques such as the max width property to ensure that the image scaling appropriately without sacrificing quality. Prioritizing content. Prioritizing content and represent and presents the most important content first, especially in contrasted space or smaller screens, considering and hiding or collapsing of less critical elements to maintain and clean and focus user interface. Touch-friendly design. If the application is accessed on design touch-friendly interface are large touch target, spacious tap areas, and gestures that align with device capability. Transition and animation. Transition and animation is a window management can greatly enhance the user experience by providing visual feedback, guiding user attention, and making interface more engaging. When implemented through thoughtfully, these dynamic elements contribute to more intuitive and polished surfaces. Here are the key considerations for incorporate transition. Smooth transition and visual feedback. Smooth transition. Use smooth transition between different states such as opening, closing, minimizing, and or maximizing windows. Abrupt changes can be jarring, and while smooth transition create a more visual pleasing experience. Visual feedback. Employee animation to provide visual feedback on user action. For example, animate buttons or icon when they are clicked to convey that the action is registered. Windows focus indication, entrance and exit animation, resizing animation, drag and drop visuals. Use animation to highlight or animate the active window, make it clear which windows has the user focus. This can include subtitle change in color, shadows, or other visual elements. Entrance and exit animation. Apply entrance and exit animation to window when they appear or disappear. When animation can follow, involve fading, sliding, or scaling effect to create a sense of continuity. Resize animation. When a user resizes a window, consider using animation to smoothly adjust the size rather than instant change. This can be particularly helpful for maintaining context and prevent a jumpy user experience. Drag and drop visuals. Implement visual cues, drag and drop interaction. For example, show a shadow or outline to the windows being moved or indicated its new position before the user releases a mouse or touch input. Here are some key advantages. Windows management provides several advantages in graphical user interface and contributes to more efficient and user-friendly computing experience. Multitasking, organized workspace, task forces. What is multitasking? In Windows, management allows user to run multiple applications or tasks simultaneously. User can switch between windows, work on different projects, and manage various aspects of their digital workspace concurrently. Organized workspace. It helps the organization organizing and structuring the workspace. User can arrange windows in a way that suits their workflow, making it easier to locate and interact with different application documents and tools. Focus. User can focus on specific tasks by having relevant window open and visible. This contributes to improved productivity and allows user to concentrate on task and hand without unnecessary distraction. In conclusion, Windows management is a fundamental aspect of graphical user interface that significantly influence the user experience in computing environment. While it offers numerous advantages such as multitasking, efficient organization, and user control, there are also potential challenges and consideration. Effective Windows management contributes to user-friendly and productive computing experience by providing and featuring the facility and organization, navigation and interaction with multiple application and documents. The ability to customize layout, switch between tasks seamlessly, and efficiently manage the workspace enhance the overall efficiency and satisfaction of the user.